Hi you guys, welcome back. So my husband bought me a new purse from Nordstrom's Rack. We got it for a really good price. I think he got it for $100 and the wallet was like 80 something. Yeah, let me go ahead and open it. I'm gonna open my box with you guys. Oh, thank you. Grazie. Just to ship the packing label. I have to return it just in case I want to return it. It's packaged like this. It's a Kate Spade. Like it's a collection. Ooh. So this right here is the backpack I got. It's really cute. I wanted this because it looks kind of fun. It doesn't look like a regular purse. It has like some kind of design on it. And then the wallet. Super cute. So it's really cute. The name of the collection is called Dawn Paper Rose, and it's black multi. So on here, this is the pricing on it that it says. So it was at $249. At one point it was at $124.97, but we got it for $99. And then this right here is the wallet. There's two type of wallets. There was a more expensive one that I saw afterwards that was a lot thinner, but I saw this one first, and this is the one that I wanted. Now that I think about it, I kind of wish I would have gotten the thinner one, but then I feel like if I would have gotten the thinner one, then I would have wished I would have gotten this one. And so the original price was at $159 and it was $79.97. But it's super cute. Comes with all these little things inside, a little booklet, little bar thing. Really cute. Yep. And it's kind of like it's not a leather feeling. It's like I don't know what it's called. It doesn't feel like leather. It just feels like a clothy material. And then, so I'm super excited for my buy. Let's take a look at the backpack. Super cute. There's a little compartment in there. I like that it's two zippers. That's kind of cool. I've had one other Kate Spade purse before, and that was gifted to me by a doctor's office that I used to work with. The doctor's office that I used to work with. It was Dr. Coates' office. She is an awesome doctor. And this one's cute too. Look at the inside. It's really cute, and then it has a zipper in the back. With my other purse, I didn't take care of it, so it's really thrashed now. But comment below if you want to see it in the future. Really nice band. The backs are like a cloth material as well. This is cute. And then this just kind of goes like this. So that reminds reminds me of like backpack vibes when you're, you know, just kind of just hangs out when you're in like middle school. Same here. I bought this just to like have for like, you know, work, a day-to-day kind of thing whenever I'm running around with the kids, take them to the park, whatnot. This is what I bought this one for. I like how it has a lot of space even when it has this inside. It's a good amount of space. It's not too small. This is against my body. It's not too big. Deal with the toddler, it's like a perfect size. So I really like my backpack. I hope you enjoyed watching me open it up. And if you want to see more of these videos, make sure you comment below and tell me what I should buy. But nothing that, like, you know, will kill me, because you know, all together was a good $180. I don't know, something like that. But thank you so much for watching, you guys. See you next time. Bye. Real quick, so I ordered it on the 8th and it arrived today, and today's the 16th. It's a Friday. On the shipping information, it did tell me it was gonna arrive the 15th, and then yesterday it changed that it was gonna arrive today. So just a little FYI, if you do shop at Nordstrom's Rack, just be aware that, you know, the estimated date of delivery is an estimated date of delivery. And just a heads up. Bye, you guys.